For over 20 years, Inspire a Nation Business Mentoring under the leadership of Billy R. Williams, Ph.D., has worked with thousands of insurance agencies, and we've seen the same problems play out time and time again. Most agencies aren't failing because they lack effort. They're failing because they're guessing and hoping that they are doing the right things. They guess at what processes they should implement, what processes should be implemented first, second, third, etc., which tools and technology they need, how to train their team properly, how to hold staff accountable and ensure long-term success, how to best train their team to sell, upsell, and round out accounts. And unfortunately, guessing leads to inconsistency, inefficiency, and frustration. That's why so many agency owners feel like they're spinning their wheels, working hard but never truly gaining traction. You don't have to keep guessing. Inspire a Nation Business Mentoring has already figured it out for you. At Inspire a Nation Business Mentoring, we don't believe in trial and error. We believe in proven, structured processes that have been tested and refined in thousands of real insurance agencies just like yours. We know what works, and more importantly, we know how to help you implement these processes and train your team so the processes actually stick. The problem with most training programs is they give you information, but don't help you integrate it into your daily agency operations. That's why our system is built around best-in-class agency processes that eliminate the guesswork. We utilize a 7-step process implementation system that makes the implementation process structured, organized, and efficient. We provided step-by-step implementation coaching to ensure you actually apply what you learn. Ongoing training, retraining, and accountability so your team consistently improves, spot checking and quality control so your agency doesn't slip back into bad habits. Let's look at the 12-month success formula. Why annual memberships work best. We've worked with thousands of agencies, and we found that it takes 8 months of focused implementation to put the 26 core insurance agency processes in place. Then, it takes another 4 months of spot checking and retraining to ensure these processes become a permanent part of your agency's culture. That's why agencies that commit to an annual membership see the best results. Monthly members often fall into the trap of short-term thinking. They implement a few things, then fall back into old habits. Annual members stay the course, receive ongoing training and coaching, and ultimately build a sustainable, scalable business. This isn't just about signing up for a program, it's about committing to long-term success. So if you are serious about growing and scaling your insurance agency, check out the annual membership options we offer at Inspire a Nation Business Mentoring. Visit our website at inspireanation.org or call or text us at 682-206-3836. Want information but don't want to talk to one of our sales team? Talk to our virtual chatbot on our website. She can answer all of your questions and direct you to all of the resources you need. Check her out on our website, inspireanation.org. inspireanation.org.